Hey there, YouTube, Indiana Patriot. Well, I figured I'd go ahead and do a video on my EDC bag / get home bag. I went from my small Condor bag to this thing here. And this bag here is just a SOG. And I've actually had it 6 years. And no complaints, it's held up. My old factory job that I used it for gear and stuff for work, and washed it up since I no longer work there. And the only problem was one of these plastic things right there broke. I replaced it, and back to using this bag, but now it's my EDC bag. So we're going to go over the contents that I carry in my bag to get home in, and things that I know I would need to use to get home. Alright, first off is you may see that I've got communications. Well, mic. This is a Baofeng ham radio. Nothing special about it except for communications. And then, saw a knife here. I haven't used it yet, but I've used this brand, Camilla's, right there. Now I do know that Camilla's blades seem to hold a very good edge. And how I know that is because I bought the $10 knives from like Walmart, made by Camilla's, and I've used them. I put them through a lot of work, and I liked them. Well, then Walmart started carrying these like gift packages for like 19 bucks. And you get a reasonable amount, so I just start picking them up every time I see them every year. Maybe I'll do a review on this little guy here. Get some paracord, nice little sheath, metal clip. I wish that was a little tighter, but pretty good little nut. Of course, extra magazine to the Glock 19. I don't ever go anywhere without extra mags. This here is something I got for Christmas. This is also made by Camilla's. Nice little sheath, and it is a machete. And this thing, actually, I took it out of the box yesterday, and it is razor sharp. And I'll be testing this thing out too. It also came with a pick and shovel with a little compass on it. And I just threw it and added it to the bag. Figured it'd be something good to have. My EDC pen I just threw in there. I broke it, but I figured if anything, self-defense, or tie some paracord onto here, and if I had to, little fishing. There's some paracord on there, put a hook on the end of it, and because I live around a lot of water, creeks, ponds, rivers, and lakes. So I got that, just threw it in there. Of course it's broke. And then carabiner. We'll start up here. Top. For your glasses and such. Got my prescription safety glasses, and an extra cloth. If she hits the fan, I can pop my contacts out, because I've always got an extra case and solution in my car, which I need to throw some in here, but put these on, it won't fog up, and I'll be able to see and protect my eyes. I also carry regular glasses in my vehicle for a backup. This little pocket up here, since it's winter time, Carhartt socket. Hand warmers, body and hand super warmer, more hand warmers, and I actually use this a lot. I got several of them, and I just threw this one in the back. So you've seen them before. And that's it for that pocket. This pocket here, it's kind of got everything in it. This pocket here has got some nuts, energy blend, Best Buy 10, 12, 20, 20. These are actually $1 at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And then I've actually bought them, tried them, and I'm like, oh, I like those. That'd be something good to keep in the bag. So there you go. Keep them in the bag. Some extra D batteries. I'll get to why I got these extra ones in the pack. Some hand sanitizer. Some face paint. Another Glock magazine. A little binocular. I've actually used this for hunting, but I just threw it in here because I got a new set for hunting. And then your basics, pencils, mechanical pencils, Sharpie. Swiss Army knife. And then a Kershaw little blade. Ain't much to it. I just threw it in here. I got several pocket knives, and you never have enough, right? One blade breaks, you got an extra. Some extra lead for the mechanical pencils. This right here, excuse me, because I've been sick. It's Bushcraft 101. I just figured if there's something that I don't know already, I can just go through here and read, and if I can't figure something out, go through here, or something in here I'm sure will help. But most stuff is already up here because I already knowledge, and I've already been taught and trained and everything else on what to do, how to wear this. Little pad of paper for write, you know, draw out a map or whatever. That's one thing I don't have in my pack yet, is a map. But I can remember almost everything. You know, I got the knowledge to remember a lot of directions in my head, so knowledge, you gotta have it. Okay, that's it in there. Okay, now we'll go to the main compartment. And for this one, just threw these in. I'm actually happy with these mechanics gloves. You can buy them at Walmart, and that's where I got these. And I started off wearing these when I'm at the range because they fit. I can fit my fingers in the trigger arm, no problem. They got that little grip on them. There's no palm padding or anything like that. And I stopped wearing them at the range because I started wearing them for work. And I can actually say I've been using these gloves here for a good 6 months. And the only thing that's coming off of them, and they're not ripping, is just the little grip on them. So I threw them in a bag, because this bag's always with me, and if I need them, I just, you know, for work, I just grab them. Alright, Gorilla duct tape. Camouflage. I've got black, but I've also got the camo, and I just threw the camo in here. You can always use this for a lot of different things. Wounds, shelters, anything. A medical kit I kind of just threw together. Some bandages, gauze, some antibiotic ointment, some ace bandages, a ice pack if you break, if it's cold or shake. This here was bought for me a couple years ago for Christmas, a stocking stuffer, and I've used it several times, reused it. It's actually wire coated with, I don't know, it's coated with something. You can buy it in the camping department, but I've used it. That's why it's all lighted up. Actually, use this to tie a Christmas tree on top of a vehicle. And it worked. And then here's some just regular rope. Cheap rope. I don't think I took paracord out. This here came with the machete. This is a shovel or a pick. It's actually got a spot in the handle you can store stuff away in. Store stuff in there. I actually got this for Christmas. You know what this is? It's a mod. Army green. And you can use that for several different things. This here, little hatchet, Camilla's, came with a knife here. And I got something else with that. Oh, sharpening stone, and pretty sure there's something else. I can't remember what it was. A little hatchet though, you know. I actually use these to break a pelvic bone on a deer. And of course I just get my finger. And this thing's very sharp because I just sharpened it up before I put it in the bag. Okay, the D batteries are for this little mag light here. This little mag light, and it does work. Two D batteries, and it's LED. And why I carry this? Because ever since I was a little kid, mag light was always the light to have. They were tough, durable, and also you can use this as a weapon. You know, you hit someone upside the head, you can hurt them pretty bad. No, I do not suggest that. Okay, life straw, a Ziploc bag with some paracord wrapped around it. Some more hand warmers, toe warmers, and these are with adhesive so they'll stick to you. You put one of these on your lower back, like in the woods when I hunt. I put one on my lower back, on my bottom layer of clothing, and I stay warm with the toe warmers and hand warmers. We got extras. Carry a lot of extra because I got kids. Another life straw right here. You can find those at Meijer for $10. My fire kit, some lint, lighter, matches, stormproof matches, some other stuff to start fire. And food, we're going to put this thing here, which I'm going to toss this out, if not open it and just eat it, because there's air in it and it was completely sealed, so that's going bye-bye. I just haven't thrown it away yet, just kept it in the pack because it's still good. And some tuna. These are all individually in a pack. You got tuna salad, tuna teriyaki, used by 2021. 14 grams of protein, 100 calories. Open and pack up, eat away. Really good. I actually paid $1.25 for these at Dollar General, but I believe they sell them at Dollar Tree also for $1. But I do a lot of my shopping, like for things that as long as it's got a long date, I go to Dollar General, and you know I shop at all the other stores, but Dollar General is a good one to go to for stuff like this. You can order online, whatever fits your bill. That, I believe, is it for the pack. Oh, that's it for the pack. Let me know what you think of this video. Like, share, subscribe. And if you like what I've got in my pack and would like to see more videos like this, comment it down below and let me know. I got bug out bags. I got several other different bags set up. I'm in the process of actually setting up my oldest son's bag because he got some new gear and he wants me to set it up. So that'll be a next video that I do. Sorry, this is 15 minutes long. Trying to get over cold. One of the heat sources is my lantern in the old shed here. But like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Indian Patriot out.